Hey everyone, welcome back to Thirsty on Thursday. When you look at a typical order form of your kitchen cabinets, you may not be able to verify what each code means. It is your responsibility to make sure that everything is correct, but you have no idea what all these numbers and letters mean. Today we're going to help you make sure that you have no mistakes on your order and you understand all the codes. We have discussed the typical sizes of wall cabinets and the typical sizes of base cabinets in previous videos. There is a standard format that most cabinet companies use for identifying these sizes and the initials they use for describing the cabinet. They also can vary greatly between manufacturer and manufacturer. I know of 8 manufacturers that I use. Each one uses different nomenclature from the other. However, if you learn from just one of the manufacturers, all the others are usually not very different in their codes. So let's begin. The letter B. B stands for base cabinet. W, wall cabinet. F, H, full height door. BWB, base cabinet with a wastebasket. BFP, base filler pullout. It's kind of like a spice rack. DB, drawer base cabinet. SB, sink base cabinet. BBC, a blind base corner cabinet. BLS, base lazy Susan. BMC, base microwave cabinet. A BER, base easy reach cabinet. OC, oven cabinet. A DO, that's a double oven cabinet. U, utility cabinet. REP, refrigerator end panel. WFP, wall filler pullout. It's kind of like a spice rack for your upper cabinets. DC, that's a diagonal cabinet. A WBC, a wall blind corner cabinet. UMC, a universal microwave cabinet. It's where it's wrapped around the microwave. RW, that's a refrigerator wall cabinet. SGH, stem glass holder. LRM, light rail mold. DCM, decorative crown molding. CM, crown mold. It's your basic crown mold. F330, that's a filler 3 inches wide, 30 inches high. F342, same thing, 3 inches wide, 42 inches high. F396, a filler 3 inches wide, 96 inches tall. MBEP, matching base end panel. BSV, a base skin veneer. MWEP, matching wall end panel. It's like a custom panel like the door style on the exposed side of your cabinet. FF, a fluted filler. TK, toe kick. Toe kick's used at the bottom of your base cabinets and matches the color of the exterior. BEP, base end panel. It's used on the side of a dishwasher, usually on islands. FBP, finished back panel. It's used on the back of the islands. MD, mullion door. It's used for your glass doors. Now these are only a few to begin with. There are several more available in your spec books, but don't stay quiet and then just have mistakes at the end of your order. It's your responsibility to verify what your order is. When in doubt, you're not sure what a code stands for, make sure you call us. We'd like to answer your questions and assist you throughout the whole process and make sure there's no mistakes. We'll see you next week.